Hey guys, what's up? Long time no see. Sorry I haven't been on much, but it's my summer break, so I've just been enjoying my summer break, also raising a pup, so there's really no time to just like pick up the camera and film what I'm doing because my other hand is always getting Lucas out of shenanigans. But anyway, today I'm coming on because last Sunday I posted an Instagram reel of me and my boyfriend's meal prep, and a lot of you guys were interested and wanted to know more in detail. I do have a meal prep video from over a year ago, but we have switched it up since then because then we were bulking. I was like 15-20 pounds heavier, and now we're kind of leaning out. So we've switched a couple things and you guys wanted more detail, so I'm gonna give you more detail. That's what we're doing today. So we're gonna go shopping. I go to Winco because it's closer and cheaper and still really good quality food. Then we're going to either meal prep right after, or we're gonna go do cardio at my boyfriend's gym because it's our cardio day. Again, like I said, we're leaning out, and then we'll come back and meal prep. I'm sure you'll see Lucas in between because he is the most precious little devil child that there is. So if that sounds like a good time to you, let's get started. We got the goods. We got the veggies, we got the meats, we got the rice. Sir, you are in the way. You're kind of in the way. You just have to be right out of the kitchen a little bit. There you go. Stay there. Eat your bone. No. Cute. You're so cute. Okay, calm down, calm down. Go eat your bun. I'm going to be cooking the chicken in the oven, and I prefer to cook my veggies in this electric wok. I'm just new to cooking. It makes it simple. It's harder to burn things. You can get it at like Bed Bath Beyond, Kohl's, I think, any one of those type of like department stores. Okay, let's get to cooking.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
Could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't go. How can I believe you when everything is secret, secret? Everything is secret, secret. Everything is secret, secret. Everything is secret. How can I believe for the new you, like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice that you went and got a penthouse. All your friends partying, it's real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest. Still a baby bird price straight off the nest like you. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is secret? How can I believe everything is secret? Everything is secret.
Okay, so veggies are done. Those are just steaming. I do not put the lid on it. I just kind of let it cook. I do flip it every now and then. That way the bacon doesn't burn. That's about it. The chicken has about 10 seconds left on it, and then I have to put in the second batch because I only have one pan at the moment. So gotta do 2 batches for 18 minutes, but that'll be perfect. There we go. But it'll be perfect because by the time that second chicken is done, the veggies will be done, and I'm getting ready to do the rice right now, so it'll take 10 minutes, and we're gonna wrap it up, put it in old glass containers, and we'll be set. Lunches are done. Okay, so the difference between me and my boyfriend's lunches is that my boyfriend's has 1 cup of rice, 1 scoop of veggies, and a chicken breast, while mine has 1.5 scoop veggies, chicken breast, and that's about it. It's not that I'm doing no carb, it's more that I like my carb to be something other than rice. Whenever I'm getting like super serious, then I'll do rice, and like my only carb for the day will be rice. But for now, it's summer, I'm trying to have fun, so I want to be able to eat whatever I want. And he has all 5 lunches, I only have 3 because again, it's summer, so I'm like staying on track for like 3 days a week, but then I'm also letting myself go out to lunch with friends or family. And oh, and because reheating rice, to me, I'm just really picky, I guess. I don't like the taste or texture of reheated rice, but my boyfriend's a bear and he doesn't really care. So those are our lunches. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or DM me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.